Hi everyone, my name is Trent McMillan, and welcome to my course, Build Your First Time Series Visualization with Dygraphs. Time series data is prevalent in almost every industry and is useful for making predictions and forecasting future events. Dygraphs is a robust JavaScript charting library that enables us to harness the power of time series data by creating beautiful and functional visualizations. In this course, we are going to use hands-on examples and learn to build impressive charts. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to install Dygraphs and load data, how to customize the look and feel of our visualizations with various formatting options, how to understand and use the default user interactions, how to implement a few advanced features such as moving averages and error bars. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills needed to create professional time series visualizations that are customized to fit your needs. Before beginning the course, you should have a basic familiarity with JavaScript. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Dygraphs with the Build Your First Time Series Visualization with Dygraphs course at Pluralsight.